Hello, it's Geography Situation, and today we're going to be learning about rivers, all about rivers. Today we are going to be learning about the hydrological cycle, which is also known as water cycle. So there are some facts. Seas and ocean contain 97% of the world's water, and ice holds 2%. That leaves just 1% of the world's water as fresh water on the land or in the air. The water is recycled again and again through the process of evaporation, condensation, and water transfer, such as surface runoff. Here are some key words you might want to take it in consideration. Evaporation is type of vaporization of a liquid that occurs from the surface of a liquid into a gassy phase. Condensation is easily conversion of vapor or gas to a liquid. So the key stages in the hydrological cycle. So this is the hydrological cycle begins with the evaporation of water from the surface of the ocean. As moist air is lifted, it cools and water vapor condenses to form clouds. Moisture is transported around the globe until it returns to the surface as precipitation. Right, I could never say that word. Really couldn't. So here is the ocean. Ocean. Why do I always okay, ocean. The water evaporates, goes into the air, and then it condenses and forms cloud. Then cloud can't take the heaviness. The heaviness? No. Right. And then it turns into precipitation as rain, snow, snow and ice. Yeah. And then, as you can see, there is two ways. It can happen. Percolation can happen, or transpiration can happen, or surface runoff can happen. So transpiration happens and it goes back into the atmosphere by the trees and stuff. And as well as there's evapotranspiration, which is also to do with trees and environment. And there is then surface runoff, so which also leads you to ocean. It leads the water to ocean, and then percolation occurs and it goes to the water table, and then groundwater flow occurs and it back to the ocean. And again, all that water cycle, that's a water cycle, right? That is why it's called water cycle. Once the water reaches the ground, one of the two processes may occur. Some of the water may evaporate back into the atmosphere, or the water may penetrate the surface and become groundwater. Either seeps into the ocean, river, and stream, or is released back into the atmosphere through transpiration. The balance of water that remains on the Earth's surface is runoff, which ties into lakes, rivers, and streams, and is carried back to the ocean where the cycle begins again. As I said. Here are some keywords you want to take in consideration. There is precipitation, as I said, is rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Transpiration, percolation, surface runoff, groundwater flow, and water table. And yeah, you need to know them by heart. Yes, that's true. Okay then, thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you guys, and I hope it helped you guys, and don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video, and if you like our videos, then don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get notified every time we post a new video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for listening.